Ladies and gentlemen, this is the 2017 Chrysler Pacifica Touring-L Plus with a wonderful granite exterior. It rides on 18-inch Michelin Premier all-season tires. Under the hood is a 3.6-liter V6 Pentastar engine, giving this Pacifica 287 horsepower. Along the driver's side door, you have your power locks, power windows, and your power mirrors. This Pacifica seats up to 8 people with premium leather seating. If you're on the driver's side or front passenger, you get access to the power seat and lumbar support. On the right side of the steering wheel, you have your cruise control settings. On the left is your Bluetooth, voice recognition, and in-dash menu board buttons. On the other side of the steering wheel is your audio controls. And as we head into the odometer, it reads 25,833 kilometers. This Pacifica comes with a Uconnect touchscreen, so you can access AM, FM, and satellite radio. When we head into reverse, you get a full rear view camera. Going to controls, you get heated front seats along with heated steering wheel. And going to nav, you get a full detailed screen to guide you where you need to go. Down below is your tri-zone climate control system, so you can independently control the driver's side, the front passenger, and the rear section of the Pacifica. You can choose to do it by the buttons down here, or on the Uconnect touchscreen. As we head into the second row, you have 3 seats with lots of leg space. To get to the back, just pull this latch, seat comes forward, bring you to the 3 seats in the third row. To bring it back to normal, just simply push the seat, and there you have it. For entertainment purposes, lifting this brings up the Uconnect entertainment system, which is on both the front seats. Once you're done in the back, pressing this button activates the power sliding door. Moving to the trunk, there's plenty of cargo space. If you need any more, the third row seats are a 60/40 split fold Sto N Go. Once you're done in the back, we have a button right here activating the power liftgate. So there you have it, the 2017 Chrysler Pacifica Touring-L Plus. If you like what you see and would like to come down for a test drive, or you have any other questions, come see us at Tower Chrysler and get that Tower Power deal. You can also call us at 403-278-2020. Until next time, thank you for watching.